What's up you guys, it's Ben and welcome to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to Amazon, selling on Amazon, making passive income and finally achieving financial freedom. So for today's video I wanted to discuss two things with you. It's a very important day for me and I wanted to share it with you. The first thing that's just been launched is my mentorship program. Now, before you think I'm one of those other YouTubers that is just trying to sell you something, sell you a course and take your money and kind of run with it, no, that's not the case. Please hear me out. Now, first things first, I actually don't believe in courses myself. I personally think that all of the information that you need personally is out there. It's out there on YouTube. Quite frankly, you could actually even make a course online purely from my videos alone, just package them up, put a price tag and give it to you guys on a sale. However, this is not what I'm doing. What I wanted to do is kind of take the approach of Amazon and really provide the best possible experience for you guys. For all of you that want to start selling on Amazon and do not know where to start, don't know where to start, don't have any business experience before and really want to make passive income, because I understand the difficult times that we're in at the moment. I understand how hard it is and how much an extra 500, £1,000 a month would do to you, because a lot of us are actually, because of COVID, are currently living off our savings, and having another source of income can be life-changing. Now, I have to be honest, can you be successful without my mentorship course? Of course you can. I'm not going to lie to you. As long as you watch my videos and do the best you can, you have a good chance of success. However, if you're one of those people that do need a bit of guidance, do need a little bit of extra support from somebody that has experience, clearly has been selling for quite a long time, and you want to potentially even partner up with them, then I'm here to help you. So what I'll do is I'll leave the link in the description. Please check out the website. We literally just finished doing it. Sarah spent a lot of time on it. So if you could let me know what you think of it, what do you think of the mentorship in the comment section down below, that would be great. And that's pretty much it. So the next part, one I wanted to speak to you about is actually, for the first time, we are now going to be taking money out of the business. Okay, we've been selling now for over 2 years, and for the first time ever, we're actually going to be paying ourselves a salary. Now, before I discuss and how much we're actually going to be paying, I just wanted to show you my sales figures for the last 2 years. Okay, and as you can see, the sales figures are actually not too bad. We made over £656,000 in sales and probably around £200,000 to £250,000 in profit. So given that is the case, you might be thinking I'm taking £40,000, £50,000 to pay myself really for the first time and really enjoy myself from all the hard work that me and Sarah have been putting in. Well, I'm here to tell you that you would be wrong. What we're actually going to be taking is only £1,500 each. Okay, that's all we're going to be taking month in and month out for the rest of the year, because we want to accomplish that financial freedom. We feel like Amazon is the vehicle to do it, and if we take it seriously, if we continue to work harder and put majority of our profits back into the business, that is very possible. Quite frankly, this year I even want to have 100 grand a month, hopefully by Christmas. So I hope this video you guys found useful. This is basically my journey. As you can see, it's not a screenshot or anything like that. You can see how many sales and how many units I've sold pretty much every single day, and how it started off with literally just over £100. I started off with a small budget of £2,000, and now we're looking to make over £500,000 this year. But the only way that was possible is by reinvesting all of your profits, and all of the money was going back into the business to put in second product, third product, fourth product, and so on. So if you see somebody out there that is going to tell you that you're going to make £500,000, £1 million straight away just by buying their course and following their guidance, you are fooling yourselves. Okay, this is for the long game. Unless you want to just make a couple of £1,000s here and there every single month, which is absolutely fine, then that's possible to do pretty quickly. However, if you want to change your life and actually have the freedom to live it the way you want to live it, not to work for somebody else, not to have to wake up in the morning and go, be stuck in traffic or be stuck on the train like I used to be, then you will have to put in the time, you will have to put in the effort, and you will have to put in this blood, sweat and tears. I have to say that. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys found this useful. If you do want to see more stuff around selling on Amazon, then please don't forget to subscribe. If you are looking for more guidance, like I said below, check out the mentorship website in the description, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.